Got a colorful Excel spreadsheet? Do you want to organize it by cell color? Let's transform your spreadsheet from this to awesome. First, select your data range. Go ahead and click on Data tab. Click on Sort. You're gonna sort by whatever column you want. You can choose any column you want. Let's sort by gender. On the sort on, you're going to select cell color. Now we're going to choose the cell color. We want all red colors to be at the bottom. So we're going to say on bottom, then say OK. It's properly organized now. Next, we're going to organize the green cells to be on top. So go ahead and click on Data, click on Sort. Now let's select the green color and let's change it to on top and say OK. Now our data set is looking more organized based off the cell color. You can use same method to sort the cell with no color to be above every other colored cell. Try it and let me know in the comment section. Now your data is instantly sorted by the cell color with all those uncolored rows precisely where you want them. Easy, right? Like and subscribe for more Excel hacks. Thank you.